Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial we will create pneumatic gripper pad. This is the drawing of the pneumatic gripper pad. I select front plane, sketch, normal. First of all we create a rectangle, 20 this side and 20 this side, 20 by 20. I select rectangle command, center rectangle, draw one rectangle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, this side 20 mm, this side also 20 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extrude it up to 10 mm, go to features, extruded boss base, select mid plane and extrude it up to 10 mm, select OK. Now here are two holes, the location of the hole 10 mm from this side and 5 mm from this side, and next hole, these holes are at same distance of 10 mm from this line. The center distance between two holes is 10 mm. I select this face, sketch, normal. I select 2 points. Right click, select option. Select this point. Press and hold control button. Select this point. Select make horizontal. Smart dimension. From here to here. This is 10 mm. From this line. This is 5 mm. From here to here. The center distance between two holes 10 mm. Right click, select option. Sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch, go to hole wizard, select counter bore. Here is counter bore, hex screw M3.5, ANSI metric, type hex screw, ANSI B18.6.7 M, size 3.5, M3.5, fit, loose, and conditions through all. Select position, 3D sketch, select this point and this point, select OK. Now this part is complete. Now give it some color, edit appearance, I select this color, select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.